It doesn't matter what type of mix you use. I'm gonna show you how to make your own coffee cake. You just gotta get a cinnamon bread mix. Doesn't matter what brand. And they all have different uh, ways to make them. They're all a little bit different. I do it my own way, and that's how I'm gonna show you today. So I do 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup of milk, and a third cup of vegetable oil, where you can use canola, olive oil, whatever. 2 large eggs. You want to butter your pan, that way it doesn't stick. And then you turn the oven on 350. You want it to be blended good, looking about like that. Then you want to spread it evenly in the pan. Then you take this bag of the topping mix, spread the topping evenly across it, and I personally like to press some of it down in, but it should look something like this when you're done. Then you just go ahead and stick it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. A toothpick should come out clean when it's ready. And there you have the finished product. Mmm, and it smells good too. So, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.